The next one is the 1500 watts Harley. Again, if you see, the sizes of both of these is exactly the same. The tire size also is exactly the same. Both of these are about 18-inch of fat tires. Amazing off-roading tires. You can ride them on all sorts of off-roading terrains. This is the second most popular Harley because of the price. The price on this is lesser than this one definitely because it doesn't come with the removable battery option. But in terms of the size, as you can see, in terms of the weight capacity, you can see both of these can easily carry 200 kgs and they both are 6-liter bodies. So the speed on this can go between about 35 to 45 kilometers and the mileage on this can go between 20 to 25 kilometers. As you can see, the headlight on this one is a bit more
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It also has both of them have these ones. And you have the 3-speed modes. So this is basically the 1500 watts Harley speed